In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add an email account for sending emails. So you want to go to account settings, then select domains, then select add domain. Now enter the email address that you would want to use to send your emails, right? I recommend that you use your own email address, like from your domain. Google and Yahoo and those email don't work. So this is the email address that I'll be using. It doesn't exist as yet, so I'll be creating it in cPanel. Alright, so I'm just going to select create. I'm going to select my domain here. So I'm just gonna generate a password here and create the email account. Because my domain is here already, I don't need to specify the domain name again. So I'm just gonna create and just gonna check email, and then back to MailerLite. I'm going to select save. Now select continue to connect your domain. Now here it detected my hosting provider, so I need to provide my HostGator login to continue. So it depends on whatever host you are using, it will detect it. So here I'm just verifying my email address. So the purpose of this is that to really confirm that you are the owner of the domain that you are providing. So here I'm just going to select OK and continue. It's setting up my domain. It will take a few minutes and I'm all done. However, it will take up to 48 hours before everything is fully active. As you can see, it's saying authentication is in progress. And once this is all set, you should be able to send emails from your MailerLite account. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.